What's good, guys? It's Combat here at Infinite Rhythm Productions, and I want to show you guys how I got this song sounding from this
down, stayed in my lane and I came up. I started keeping my head down, stayed in my lane and I came up.
to this.
Down, stayed in my lane and I came up. I started keeping my head down, stayed in my lane and I came up. I just been keeping my head down, stayed in my lane and I came up. Combat, this a banger, huh?
Alright, so this is my session right here. This is by JV and Tay Sitco. This is a really dope song. It's unreleased right now, but I'm pretty sure by the time this tutorial drops, it's going to be released. So I'll have a link in the description. So pretty much, you guys see I have all my stems right here. And I have it all running through my beat stem channel right here. And I'll show you guys just what I have running through. I just have an Ozone 11 virtual tape machine. I have some Ozone 11 clarity. I have a one knob filter, which I automate. And then I have this guy right here. I'm going to show you. ShaperBox. ShaperBox. So we got ShaperBox right here. So ShaperBox is pretty much like a modulation type of plugin. It's really good for production. You can mix in it too and all this other cool stuff. It's really dope. But it's really known for all this crazy modulation and changes it could do, as you guys heard. So I'm just going to kind of show you guys real fast how I kind of got it to sound like that. So pretty much what I did was I just went to halftime right here in all the settings. And I went to, is this triple ties? Yeah, I think it's triple ties. I just went to triple ties right here. And then I went into the actual time, like the actual thing. And originally it's at 1 bar right here. I just changed it to 2 bars. And yeah, and then I just had to go right here.
Down, stayed in my lane and I came up. I started keeping my head down, stayed in my lane and I came up.
So it slaps.
I just been keeping my head down.
Wait, when the kicks come in, kicks.
I just been keeping my head
Right in a second.
down, stayed in my lane and I came up. I just been keeping my head down.
Then drops. So I have ShaperBox 3 pretty much on the main bus for the beat. And the issue with that is the whole thing's going to have ShaperBox, you feel me? So we don't want that. So what we're going to do is automate. So I just went into here, I hit auto, and I found where bypass was. And I just double click that and I hit OK. Boom. And then from there, I just go into my automation right here, which it's just this little button right here. I found bypass. And I just made sure bypass was on the whole time until we got specifically to this section.
Head down, stayed in my lane and I came up. I just been keeping my head down, stayed in my lane and I came up. I just been keeping my head.
That's pretty much how I did that effect right there. So if you guys happen to have like ShaperBox 3 or anything like that, yeah, the triple ties is pretty sick for like this type of stuff, you know what I'm saying? So and that is how I automated it as well. If maybe that will help you guys out too. So that pretty much concludes our tutorial. That was pretty fast. If you guys are interested in ShaperBox 3, I'm gonna make sure I have a link in the description below just so you guys can get it. It's fire. I really love this plugin. I'm not sponsored or anything, by the way. I got it, and literally I've been making some pretty good hits. You know what I'm saying? I'm hoping to hit some billboard this year. So we're going to see what's going on. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below or hit me up on Instagram at combat_K. And if you guys could like and subscribe, that helps me out a lot so I can continue to help you guys out. Let's get it.